Hi there, I'm your instructor. Welcome to this comprehensive Python programming course. In this series, we will explore the power of Python and help you master it for real-world applications. Python is a popular programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. It is used for web development, software development, mathematics, and system scripting. What can Python do? Python can be used on a server to create web applications. Python can be used alongside software to create workflows, connect to database systems, and read and modify files. Python can be used to handle big data and perform complex mathematics. It allows for rapid prototyping and production-ready software. Why Python? It works on different platforms like Windows, Mac, Linux, and Raspberry Pi. Python has a simple syntax similar to the English language, allowing developers to write programs with fewer lines. It runs on an interpreter system, meaning code can be executed as soon as it is written, making prototyping very quick. Python can be treated in a procedural way, an object-oriented way, or a functional way. Good to know. The most recent major version is Python 3, which we shall be using in this tutorial. We'll write code in a text editor or an IDE like Thonny, Scikar-M, NetBeans, or Eclipse for managing larger projects. Python was designed for readability. It uses new lines to complete commands, unlike others using semicolons. And crucially, Python relies on indentation to define scope, whereas other languages often use curly brackets. That's it for the intro. Thanks for watching. Join me in the next episode where we'll cover installing Python. See you there.